Hi guys, I'm Ronnie. Today I'm doing an Upstream O2 sensor on a 2008 F-150. Here's the tools I need for the job. Okay, so step one, changing your O2 sensor, is jack the vehicle up. We're looking for a spot in the frame that's structural to the vehicle, strong place to jack, also a strong spot for each jack stand. Both O2 sensors are on this side, so it makes sense just to jack up this side and make some room. Strong location on either side of the jack. Went up as high as I could to give myself some extra room. I'm going to let this down gently on the stands. And I'm going to keep the jack in place just for safety. All right, now I can locate my O2 sensor and get to work. Okay, I'm all set. I got the truck jacked up safely. Everything's in place. I got my tools down here so I'm not getting up. Got my O2 sensor. Let's find it and get started. All right, I'm going to give this a quick shot. Penetrating oil. Obviously, this here is our upstream sensor. The upstream sensor is just that, upstream of the catalytic converter. This will be upstream, closer to the engine. I'm going to find out which tool fits here better for me. Let's see if we can get on there and get it out. Well, actually, first things first, I'm going to go ahead and unclip the connector, take that apart. The tool has a slot cut in it to go around the harness and get onto the nut of the sock of the O2 sensor and twist it. Let's see if I can get this on there. Got some things in my way. There we go. All right. That's broke loose. It should spin out by hand, so I'll remove my tools. Okay. That actually wasn't too bad of a job. Get my new O2 sensor. Make sure it's got some anti-seize on the threads. Yes, it does. Basically screwing it back in. Go ahead and thread it right back in. Get my tool back on there. Snug it up good, but don't want to over tighten it and strip anything out. There we go. Get her plugged back in, and we are good to go. And there we have it. There's an installed O2 sensor in a 2008 F-150. Okay, so my next step is to go ahead and get the truck down from the jacks, take it for a ride, get to operating temperature, make sure the light stays off, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.